Hello, Carter.
Hello.
Hello, Mary.
Good morning.
We are here with Healthy Home Habitat's Easy-Peasy vining vegetables, and we are here for step 7. Can I ask you, how are those 5 W's going, Carter?
Good.
Do you remember those? The watch and wait, and I can see you're doing a good job. Yeah, with the water, because the soil.
Spider.
Where's the spider? Oh my gosh, let's get him out of there. He doesn't need to be in our water. You want to put a little bit more water in while we're here?
Yeah.
And you and I were talking about the fact that this is the time when these new little sprouts are going to look pretty yummy to other little animals.
Oh, shoot.
I think you're all right.
Just put your arm into it.
Let me see if I can get it a better place so I can see your
go.
face. So, we have this great green stuff here. What's this green stuff look like?
Leaf.
What's this look like?
A fence to protect it.
Yes, from who? Do you remember who we were talking about?
The skunk.
There is a skunk that lives under there. You know what else lives around here? In addition to us?
What else?
What else might eat these?
Deer.
Deer, you know, they're pretty common for lots of people around us, and they're a little bit less common for us here because we have so many people, but rabbits love our little
And you can
green
jump
sprouts.
right over this and then get in
Oh,
there
I
and eat it.
hope not. Really, this is a 1-inch wire mesh, and we cut it in a piece, and you and I bet your mom can help, are going to go back here in the back
I'll go.
and twist those little pieces together.
Okay.
Twist these little pieces together here so that it makes a barrier so that the rabbits can't get in. And the catch is we really only need this for the beginning part, because after the plants get to a certain size, it's all right and we can share with the rabbits.
Yeah.
But we have to let them get to a certain size in order for them to be
get the piece.
That's right, because we want peas too. So we got this over at the hardware store, and we bought a 2-foot roll, and we're gonna attach this around here for a while. Hey, that's awfully nice to give Mama a flower in her ear.
Always in flowers.
Ah. Well, you look like you've been doing a good job. You were telling me somebody was in there digging. Can you show me where they were digging?
Right here.
So you have been watching. Good job. And
One
how?
day we came to check it, and Mom looked, and then there was a big giant hole.
Big giant hole. Well, luckily they didn't gobble them all up before we got our fence up.
Yeah.
So there are other chemicals and things that people can use to keep the rabbits away, but we don't want more
And it can
chemicals.
kill some animals too.
Good point. We don't want to kill any animals. We're trying to grow happy, healthy things. So show me the tallest one on your finger. How tall do you think the tallest pea is right now?
Is this finger and my thumb
Wow.
connected?
Wow. So after step 7, which is watch out for the hungry neighbors, because there are lots of hungry neighbors around, we're going to continue our 5 W's, the watching, the waiting, the wondering. And my job, I'm going to ask you to once again keep an eye on that soil to make sure it stays black this week. And we got teased the other day. What was the weather the other day?
Great.
Yeah, it was like 70 degrees.
Yeah.
71.
Whoa, but now it has gone back to the 50s, which is great because our peas like
This
the
was
cold weather.
76.
It will be
50.
soon, but our peas like the cooler weather. So, thank you very much for helping to put on that wire there.
Hi, Jane. Goodbye.
Thank you. Yeah. Nice to protect them.
Yep, and we'll go forward for another week. Thank you, Mary.
Yeah, thank you. Bye.
Appreciate it.